Who wants to get their hands on the world's biggest prompt pack in the world? Is it you? Is it you? If it's you, and it's quite possibly you because you're watching a review of PromptZilla, after all. If it's you, then stay with me because I believe you will be pretty blown away by what this product offers. It's the newest launch from Nelson Long, from the desk of Nelson Long. His brand is called Super Good Products, I believe. Right, so welcome guys to my PromptZilla review. Now, if you want to jump to my free instructions on this offer, go check out that free report in the description box about this offer. I also show you the bonus I have created for you, a very special bonus and all of that. So, okay, let's dig in. I'll, of course, show you all I have to share here with you to help you make an educated decision about this product from Nelson Long. And guys, by the way, this product launched a few days ago on JVZoo initially. And it did insanely well. People loved it. And because some of Nelson Long's affiliates don't really work with JVZoo, he decided to relaunch it on Warrior Plus. I work with both platforms, but for some reason I skipped it or I forgot. I didn't have the time to review it, to be brutally honest with you. But when I noticed how well this launch has done and what amazing feedback it has received, then I just thought I would bring it to light. I would bring it to your attention. So guys, let's dig in. Let me show you the members area, the product, the sales page and all of that, and my, free sort of bonus report that again is in the description box right below this YouTube review. Okay, let's go. So here is the sales page. Now, if you want to get to the sales page, sweet and short to the point, it's going live anytime soon. By the way, it is going live today on Warrior Plus on the 23rd of June at 9 a.m. New York time. So guys, this is the members area. I'll show you around in a sec, okay? But that's my free instructions about this offer. It discusses all the benefits, the features of this offer and all of that, okay? I'll put my video review here as well because I'll probably share it with my list, this report as well. Here is my bonus, commercial break, okay? You're gonna get this bonus if you pick it up via the link below my review. It's gonna be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. And I'll deliver this bonus. I'll throw in some extra bonuses as well on how to make money with AI, okay, on top of this one. But this one is super special, okay? It was specifically created after I've checked out the content of this offer to help you monetize these prompts and make money with AI. So you have it all about this offer, all the details and all of that. So if that's for you, click here for access. If you click that, you're going to be redirected to the sales page. Again, go via my free report that is in the description box below this review. So what do we have here? The world's biggest prompt pack in here. And check this out. It's 100,000 prompts to supercharge your AI. It is the biggest one in the world. I've never seen a pack like that. So he says, let's cut straight to the chase. If you're using AI without PromptZilla, you're operating at 5% of its potential. These are very, very well designed prompts, guys. So check out the offer, okay? There's no fluff on it, okay? What you see is what you get, and that's it. He just discusses the value of the product, what you actually get, plus you get PLR rights. And you have the list of your PLR rights right at the end of the sales page. So let me show you the members area now. Okay, so here we have it. Clean look of it, simple, love it, but the value is obviously pretty insane. So I've got access to all of the offers, actually, the whole funnel. There will be a few upsells. We'll check them out here. Just a few upsells. This is Nelson Long's Warrior Plus. Okay, it's logged me out. Nelson Long's Warrior Plus account. Alright, so we'll have a few upsells here. During the launch is $14.95. And guys, again, the front end, right? The members area looks like this. You just click here to download, click to start. And from here, you just click here, download. And after you've done so, you will have it on your computer. Well, of course, I'll zip, but let me just open it up for you. So you will have it as a PDF. It's quite a file, okay, PDF and Microsoft Word as well, which is great for editing because it's PLR after all as well. So you may want to rebrand it and resell it. Why not? Okay. I mean, but it's so almost overwhelmingly big, huge. Then you may want to break it up. Okay. I mean, so many products you can create out of this massive offer. Okay. So this is the WordPress. Okay. So this is the Microsoft Word. So you have the table of content first, and then let me scroll down. You've got all of the prompts here. Now, you can also go via PDF. So I've got the PDF opened here. So there you go. Look at this. It's close to 2,000 pages long. Table of contents, but it has been designed very, very well. Okay, very user-friendly. So you've got the table of contents here, and you see, it has been divided into all kinds of categories. Account management, advanced cold calling, advanced YouTube. I mean, all kinds of categories you can think of. Okay, it's all covered here. I'm not even going to go through all of that because the table of contents alone takes up probably 10 pages. Okay, so if you click on, say, the social media channel, this one, it will conveniently take you to the social media channel chapter, okay, with all of the prompts. So you have them for Instagram right here. And from here, if you want to jump back to the table of contents, you just click on this link here and voila, brings you back to the table of contents. Okay, so very easy. And again, this is the look of it. Looks like an Excel file a bit, right? And I love it how it starts. For example, for this account management category, here's a suggestion. So begin the below commands with, you are an expert sales coach. Exactly. That's how you have to talk to AI. Give it a role, give it an objective, give it target audience, give it specific points that you want covered, that you want the content, the AI, the output to cover. Okay. So first you would say this: encourage account managers to take a proactive approach in building and nurturing relationships with clients. So to each and every of the category, you will have a specific way of starting the prompt. Okay. A specific way of giving the AI a role, a task, and all of that. So that's that, guys. Again, just mind-blowing value here, okay? A simple look of it, but of course the value is through the roof. So again, guys, that's that. I'm not going to make this review any longer. You can read all of the instructions, the free instructions that I give you here on this report, the details about this product. Check out my bonus that will, again, help you monetize this offer, help you make money with it, turn these prompts into profits. So if that's for you, go through my report and at the end, click here for access. That will take you then to the sales page. When you're on the sales page, just smash this, hasn't launched yet soon. Just smash this yellow button and then you will be taken to the checkout. He even gives you a $5 coupon. So mamma mia, how much is this gonna be? $14.90. Is this really gonna bring it down to $9.95? That if that's the case, then, you know, it would be really, really foolish to let this one go, to miss out on it. Okay, anyhow, there will be a few upsells. A bump offer, insane prompts, $9.90. Then upsell number 1, PromptZilla Powered Up, $27. Then PromptZilla Visual, so that's graphics, that's images, all kinds of prompts for graphics images that you could use with Leonardo.ai, MidJourney, whatever, ChatGPT, whatever image generator, AI image generator you're using. So 27. Then PromptZilla Visual Lite, so I guess fewer prompts for 17, a light version of it. And PromptZilla Visual Powered Up, $17. Okay, guys, so that's that. That was my PromptZilla review. Again, the report is right below in the description box. Go check it out. Get it and enjoy. And my bonuses are waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye.